Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Nokia XR 20, at first you have to open Wi-Fi settings. You can make it by opening Quick Panel, and here you will find list of all available networks, but you have to wait a little bit and be patient. As you can see, here it is. So I can find a lot of Wi-Fi networks, but I'm going to connect for Zenfone 7 Pro. Right now you can input password of your currently network. Click here to show the password. Tap to connect, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. As you can see, that's how it works, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.